Andrew Dalrymple, Victor Gruber, and Alex Gonzalez is Ava Engineering. Teams and roles during the building process. Team Principal Engineer and Project Design Engineer is Alex Gonzalez. Team Lead Design and Engineering Project Management is Andrew Dalrymple. The Team Lead Quality Engineer and Project Engineer, Victor Gruber. The Ava Engineering staff has over 30 years of experience in the construction industry. The team is focused on environmental and sustainable single-family residential building projects in the construction industry. The team uses cutting-edge technology for the design, project planning, record keeping, and tracking of our projects. The following is an overall scope of services that Ava Engineering team will bring to this project if selected as the engineering design firm. Trust, a charge or duty imposed in faith or confidence or as a condition of some relationship. Building trust, building green, building your future. Ava Engineering. Trust in our relationship. Our relationship begins with the customer at the design process. Ava Engineering collaborates directly with you, the owner. Ava has an obligation to ensure the design meets your expectations. Ava specializes in design and construction of sustainable residential designs customized to each client. Ava combines modern technology with the experience to create a design that you can trust. Our team utilizes current technology, Reich innovative project management software to collaborate and manage ideas. The software allows our team to plan and manage tasks, track and share large amount of data necessary for collaboration. Smartsheet allows our team to manage schedules. The Smartsheet tracks times, specific tasks, and allows Ava to forecast and will aid in the tracking of construction progress. The AutoCAD InDesign allows multiple users to share and collaborate and create important elements of design. Ava Engineering uses collaborative technologies to bring a sustainable future to you. National University wanted to design a 3-bedroom, 2-bath living space that is green and sustainable. The engineering staff at Ava Engineering utilized their expertise with sustainable construction to create a single-family dwelling located at 9388 Lightwave Avenue in San Diego, California. Design and construction of green building was the primary focus of this project. What is a green building? A green building is an environmentally sustainable building designed, constructed, and operated to minimize the total environmental impacts. Where does green building start? When creating or designing new projects, it is important to have an understanding of the concept of green building. Once we understand a concept, we can then make an educated decision on our path to the future. Ava Engineering begins each project with you. Ava Engineering provides the tools, but you are the one that must decide which path to travel. Green projects start with the basic design and space. The usable space should always be the first thing to consider. Consideration about the size of our footprint should always be a main focal point. Once a decision has been chosen, the green building experience begins immediately. Excavation should be used on site as opposed to removing excavated materials. The materials we utilize should be recycled and low VOC whenever possible. As an example, concrete slab specifications. The formwork should be reusable whenever possible. Forms release agents should be vegetable-based without petroleum solvents. The form supports should be 100% recyclable plastic content. Alternative insulated concrete forms, ICFs, are meant to leave in the ground after concrete has cured. Concrete specifications include mandatory recycled material, also low VOC mixtures. We will expand on low VOC in a minute. The concrete admixtures should be verified bio-based curing agents, no calcium chloride. Reinforcement bars and rebar with a minimum of 50% recycling content. Concrete joint filler strips made with cork or other approved materials. Materials are an important part of building green. You can trust Ava Engineering to use the right material for your project. What is low VOC? Low volatile organic compounds. VOCs or organic chemicals that have a high vapor pressure at ordinary temperature. They have a large numbers of molecules to evaporate or sublimate and enter the surrounding air. Common chemicals that you may know are benzines and formaldehyde. Most compounding long-term VOCs do not have acute toxicity side effects. That means we do not notice we are in trouble till it's too late. Indoor VOC sources include many building materials, such as carpets, composite wood products, insulation, paints, and adhesives, to name a few. There are code requirements and there are established guidelines for some low VOC products. In contrast, low VOC materials are formulated to reduce off-gassing of hazardous and potentially flammable vapor emissions. Low VOC building products benefit the health of those individuals installing such materials in addition to long-term building occupants. Reducing the use of materials that emit pollutants is the most effective way to improve indoor air quality. Trust in the building materials and contractors installing materials is a big part of green building. Trust in the care of what is being installed in your family's living environment. While consider improving the air quality in your family's house, we consider performance of the absorption of all building materials. The building materials, chemical characteristics, and alternative building materials. These considerations are made obvious within our specifications. Ava Engineering Material Specifications. Our wood products shall be treated with chemicals that do not contain arsenic or chromium. Headers made of foam insulation sandwiched between wood veneers use wood efficiency and provide better thermal insulation. The EPS foam cores are non-ozone depleting. Wood products made without urea formaldehyde are specific sustainable harvest certified wood products, or wood products that have recycled, recovered content, or that are from alternative non-wood sources, using cotton bat insulation or cork. The asphalt shall be 50% recycled cellulose material. Natural-based caulking and adhesives. Recycled fiber rock panels are made from synthetic gypsum, perlite, and recycled newsprint paper with a total recycled content of 95%. Muraco Wall Products makes a hypoallergenic powdered dry mix all-purpose joint and textured compound that is no VOC and does not contain any preservatives. 100% recycled ceramic tiles with the organic epoxy adhesives. Bamboo flooring from a sustainable source. These are just a few of the specifications that can make a big difference when planning for your future. Trust in Ava to use the right materials for you and your family. Trust. Trust is defined as a charge or duty imposed in faith or confidence, or as a condition of some relationship. Part of our relationship is expertise in green building design. Designing options such as gray water systems. Gray water system collects water from the showers and the sinks and the rain runoff from the roof. The system has chlorination and overflow prevention capabilities as stated in the specifications. The system uses a drip system for irrigation and has options for leaching or direct release into the building sewer. Another option is geothermal cooling and heating. The system uses deep drilled wells and Earth's natural stable temperature to either heat or cool a residence. The system uses enclosed hydronic tubing manifold and circulates the heating or cooling water throughout the house and through the wells drilled under the foundation of the residence. This unit lasts longer and requires less service compared to traditional HVAC units. Whole house fans, underfloor spaces will be vented and used to help effectively heat and cool the interior environment as well. Solar will be installed on the roof. This will aid in the sustainable aspect of the resident. This will offset most of the electric usage. The yards will have a low maintenance, low care landscaping that is native to the local area. Trust in the Ava Engineering project team not only deals with construction principles, but financial concerns as well. Trust is important when it comes to financial matters for your future. From day one, Ava Engineering has created detailed reports for budgeting, project labor costs, and construction timelines. This is where technology becomes important. Real-time project tracking through Smartsheet allows all parties to track production. Reich project management software allows tracking of project milestones, manage tasks, track schedules, workflow, and any changes during the construction process. Trust in Ava to build your future. Building trust, building green, building your future. Ava Engineering.